Okay, as you can see here, I have this lift filled up. What I generally try to do is if I have the option of clear grain or a knot, I keep the knot on the pusher side as opposed to forcing the wedge through it first thing. This is how I like to fill it up so I can proceed with the splitting much more efficiently. Okay, I tried to show before some techniques for oversized logs that get jammed on the wedge. One is using this part down here, this part here, and as I use the lift, it comes in contact with the log that's stuck on the wedge, and we'll push it sideways to get it off. The technique that I use, I'll lift the log up so that this wedge, it will encounter it. Otherwise, it would just skim off the top. So I show you this now because with the engine running, you couldn't hear my voice. I guess that's it for today. Thank you. Here's my wood splitter. I believe this is American made. It's a company. That's where I got it. H&M Equipment Company, Amsterdam, New York. I was fortunate to get this used. The jack is a modification I put on it to, here it is, American Wood Splitters 40 TC 24-200. I guess that's the only identification on it. American CLS.com. It's worked well for me. I got it secondhand from somebody who had developed heart issues, so family sold it. Got it for a very reasonable price compared to what it's worth brand new, and it came with 2 additional wedges, the 4-way, and I believe there was a 6-way wedge. The only issue that I've had with it is I loaned it to a friend and he dropped a log on one of the fenders, and I'm not sure which one it is actually now. Well, that's enough of that.